The question is whether the National Electrical Code, or NEC, allows number 14 metal clad cable as a whip for 2x4 troffers on a 20 amp circuit. The answer is yes. The NEC allows number 14 metal clad cable as a whip for 2x4 troffers on a 20 amp circuit. NEC Article 400.12 states that flexible cords and cables shall not be used as a substitute for the fixed wiring of a structure. However, they may be used for pendants, for wiring of fixtures, and for connection of portable appliances. NEC Article 402.4 states that the ampacity of flexible cords and cables shall not exceed the ampacity of the branch circuit it supplies. NEC Article 210.19 states that branch circuit supplying lighting units shall have an ampacity of not less than the total connected load. Since a number 14 metal clad cable has an ampacity of 15 amps, it can be used as a whip for 2x4 troffers on a 20 amp circuit.